Bring it up. So there's different codec families. There's something called the DNX HR Codec. And the DNX HR Codec was made by Avid. Avid works with that. They're great codecs, but if you're working with somebody who doesn't have the right codecs on their computer and you're going to share this file with them, DNX may not be the way to go. So there's other codecs out there. There's something called H.264. There's something called Apple ProRes made by Apple. Apple ProRes is a really common codec for making a QuickTime. Apple makes QuickTime, the codec's QuickTime. I think we're okay with Apple ProRes. Well, under the Apple ProRes family, you have Apple ProRes 422 Proxy, which is low quality, Apple ProRes 422 Lite, Apple ProRes 422, Apple ProRes 422 HQ, and Apple ProRes 4444 and 4444 Extreme Quality. You can experiment with these qualities. Remember, as you increase quality, you're going to increase file size.